I made this
Little contraption.
because I'm a tight ass.
You didn't want to buy one.
Didn't want to buy one, no.
So what did you do?
Well, I had a leftover water pump and just bought myself a box from Bunnings and put a 12-volt connection in there, and I haven't got a switch, so I just plug it straight into 12-volt, and in theory it should work, but I haven't tried it yet.
This is its first experience.
It'll be a christening.
We don't normally often need water, do we? Like pumped from the river or whatever. So
Yeah, we're going to pump it out the truck.
pump
See
it
if
out
it works.
the truck. Yeah.
Oh,
So
God.
when we came to this new camp here yesterday, we could have filled up with water before we came, but honestly, we didn't think we'd used that much since our last fill. But we were surprised, and then we worked it out how many showers we'd had, and just, you know, even just washing dishes and stuff, and we used more than what we thought. So
Yeah.
we've come into this beautiful riverside camp with just half a tank. Yes, as soon as you plugged that 12-volt, that Anderson plug in, she started sucking, Glenn. It was instant.
Yep.
This is a bit magic.
I'll fix some leaks and I'll be right.
Oh, you've sprung a leak. Well, it is a man-made, homemade contraption there, Glenn.
Well,
Tighten a few things up. So look at that, we've gone from 0 to 56.
Hey?
We're on 56%, Glenn, now. I'm happy you're so clever.
a bit.
That was our silly mistake not to check it first, but at least we know your contraption works.
Yeah, now we're half full. I've itemised some of the parts here that I used. Some, not all. And you've got to include the pump, which I had laying around, and a bit of hose. Thank you.